everyone, my name is Tai Yingyuo, and today I have my sister with me.
我的英语
And today she is going to talk to us about some of the rules of the Hmong Nye game that everyone has been talking about.
Okay.
Can you please go slow and describe the 5 rules of the Hmong Nye game?
The first rule is the Nye Gang Gong Bi.
What does that mean?
Well, we're going to go into it a little bit more details in another video.
Okay. Alright, so for the sake of this video, can you please go over the rest of the rules?
Sure. Number 2 is the Po Zu Gong Bi. Okay. The third rule is the No Pong. The fourth rule is the Nye Gang Pong Po Zu. And last but not least, it's the Po Zu Pong Nye Gang.
Oh. Well, that is so interesting. I can't wait to learn all about them.
Alright, make sure to subscribe to find out more.